In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find contact email on LinkedIn easily. Whether you're reaching out for networking opportunities, collaborating on projects, or simply expanding your professional connections, knowing how to find contact emails on LinkedIn can be extremely useful. And today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to make that process as simple and effective as possible. Let's get started. First, head over to your browser and type in linkedin.com. This will take you to LinkedIn's homepage where you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already signed in, you can do so by using your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email address and password. Now, if your account is secured with two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity. They'll send a code to your phone number, which you can enter to gain access to your account. This step is crucial to keeping your information safe, so make sure you have your phone nearby just in case. Once you're logged in, your next task is to locate the person whose email address you want to find. Navigate to their LinkedIn profile by using the search bar at the top of the page. Simply type in their name and hit enter. Once you find their profile in the search results, click on it to open their page. Now that you're on their profile, let's look for their contact information. Typically, LinkedIn doesn't automatically display email addresses of users to protect their privacy. However, some users opt to share their emails in their contact info section. Look for this section on their profile. It's usually situated below their profile description and off to the right of their location. You can click on the contact info button to see if they have listed their email address publicly. If the user has chosen to make their email address public, it will be visible in this section. This method is really straightforward and, when successful, allows you to contact the user directly. However, it's important to remember that not every LinkedIn user decides to share their email address publicly. Respecting privacy is key, and LinkedIn gives users the option to keep their contact information private for this reason. If you don't find an email address, it simply means they have chosen not to disclose it publicly. There you have it. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily locate contact information on LinkedIn. Remember to always use the information you find responsibly and within LinkedIn's terms of service. That's all for today in this guide on finding contact emails on LinkedIn. Hopefully, these steps make your professional communication smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy connecting.